Okay, Chef Jay gonna show you how to stuff the chicken right now. But I already show you how to do on part one. How to this is the chicken. I took the bone out. I do not stuff chicken often, but I'm gonna just try it. So when you're at home, you can do whatever you want. How to stuff it your way. But for me personally, we do not stuff a lot of chickens. Okay. So what I did is I had some Chinese dry mushroom. Is soak it in water. It's right now soften everything. We have daikon. This is the daikon right here. I chop it up, and we have some Chinese sausage, and I put a little onion in it. So also I drop a couple of those dry, what do you call it? The scallop. Dry scallop Asian use a lot for it has flavor, so you can see it here. So I'm at home right now because at the restaurant I do not have an oven to bake it. So I'm gonna one hand grab in the camera and the other hand you can see I'm gonna put it in there, So bear with me. So I'm just working by myself right now. So you can see you'll push all the stuff in there, and I'm gonna show you how to seal this off later on with the stick. So you can see I'm doing one hand at a time, so just bear with me, okay? So I'm gonna push that in and put this in, and then all this shoved it in, and we're gonna bake it. Let me see, we're gonna have enough room to put all this in. If not, I'll just left this out here. And then I'm gonna, all this is gonna be, see if I can shove it in or not. And I'm gonna seal this off here. I gotta put the camera down in order to see it, okay? Just bear with me, okay? Okay, I'm all the stuff that in there. I actually put some carrot and onions on the side. We're gonna put it in the oven and then kind of like a pot roast, I'll do it that way. So I'm gonna add a little bit black pepper on the top, so get a little flavor outside, and maybe put a gravy on it, So and also we're gonna put a little salt on it for the outside. You can see seal off on the middle here with a little steak, but not a very good job, but that's only I got one here, so so we do whatever we can here, so you catch the point. So right now I'm gonna put it in the oven for maybe 15-20 minutes on 400 degree or 450, and I'm gonna add some water on the bottom. So right now I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. Okay, this is the chicken stuff out of the oven right here, and I put some red carrot and onion in it, but I didn't have any celery at home, so I gotta do without it. So after 1 hour, I think about 20 minutes in the oven, came out, it's cooked. So I used the gravy here to pour that out to make the gravy for here dipping. So I'm not gonna chop it up yet, but I think it should be taste pretty good. So why don't you try it? Whatever stuff you want to put it inside, explore. I already show you how to take out the bone already. So you want to do a turkey, it's the same way, same logic. But I hope you enjoy it. If you want me to do a turkey, just put it on the description. Ask me, if we got enough people want to see a turkey, then I'll do a turkey. This is from Chef Jay. I hope you like it, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, and have a nice day. Hopefully holiday, you enjoy your holiday. Thank you very much. Chef Jay, thank you. Bye-bye.